Well, today let's talk about parts of the body. First of all, picture number one. Look at this picture. What parts of the body is this? Huh? What part of the body is this? Yes, I know you know the name of these parts of the body. Yes, this is okay. Uh-huh. Yes, yes. An arm. Yes. Let's write that, please. Take notes. People have two arms. Okay, write that. Arm. Yes, this is an arm. Okay, this is an arm. Well, next. I've got an arm. Now, what's next? What's next? Huh. The second picture is here. Okay, what's this? Arm. Here we say this is elbow. Yes, elbow. This is an elbow. Correct? Elbow. An arm, the complete one, yes. And this small part is an elbow. Okay. This is an elbow. Okay. This part, yes. An elbow. Okay. This please. This part is an elbow. Mhm. This part. It's an elbow. Correct? Next, please. Hmm. You also have chest. Yeah, the next vocabulary is chest. Look at this, please. Picture number three. What's this? A chest. No? This is a chest. The whole one. Chest. Right? This is a chest. We've got an arm, an elbow, now a chest. Okay, an elbow like this. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. This is an elbow. Also a chest. Okay, we can erase this. No problem. Elbow, chest, huh. Chest. This is the chest. Look at the picture. Mhm. A chest. Huh? What's next? Huh, small part of the face. An ear. Yes. What's this small part of the face? Huh? This is an ear. Or you can say, I can see an ear. Huh? An ear. Very small. Ear. In British English, people say ear. Yes. It's an ear. What's next? Ear. Small parts of the face. Huh? What's next? This picture. Ear. Okay. Now we've got a nose. Yeah, it's a nose. It's also small parts of the face or small parts of small parts of the head. No, small part of the head. Next, please. If can see an eye. Okay. This is an eye. Attention, please. Next part of the face. An eye. Correct? Huh? An eye. We've got two eyes included, right? Eye, nose, ear, chest, elbow, arm. Correct. More, please. More. Uh-huh. We'll continue with our leg. Yes. Next picture. What's this? Uh-huh. Okay. This is a leg. Let's write that. Leg. Okay. A leg. Just one leg, right? For the example. Next, please. This is a knee. Uh-huh. This. Or maybe we can write that this part here, right? This is a knee. This part is a knee. This is specific part. No? This specific part is a knee. Okay, a knee. Next one. Okay. What is a leg? It's a whole one, right? Yes, the knee is a small part of a leg. Huh? You can see a leg. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. One moment. Please. This is a leg. Let me show you here, please. This is a leg. Give me 1 minute. Oh, yes. This is a leg. Okay. That's a knee. And this is a leg. Oh, come on, what happened? This is a leg. A knee. And see here, a leg. A leg and a knee. Leg, the whole one. This is the leg. And this part is the knee. The same happens here. This is an arm. Okay. This is an arm. And this small part is an elbow. We have chest here. We've got a chest here, an ear, a nose, an eye. Well, what's next? What next? Okay. What's this? So this is a palm, right? A palm or hand. Yes, a hand. You can see here a hand. Can we use another picture? Maybe, right? Maybe this picture, it's a hand. Okay. This is a hand. Maybe, right? It's more like a hand, it's a palm. Well, this is a hand. Yes. And small part of the hand is a finger, right? Small parts of a hand is a finger. Okay. Sample here. And just pay attention, please. Small part of a hand is a finger. No? This small one. This is a finger. A finger. Palm, hand, a finger. We've got 10 fingers, 10 toes, right? Next. Finger. Please. In this part, look at this picture, please. What can you see here in this picture? Well, you can see this thing, right? Hey, this is a head. This is a head. But more specific things like this is a hair. Or maybe I can use another picture, right? This is a head. Okay. And what about hair? Pay attention, please. This thing is hair. all the kind of color, right? It's a hair, long hair, right? Long hair. This is hair. Don't confuse. Hair, head, hair, head, hair. Okay. What else can we see here, right? Okay. What's about this one, right? Yes. Uh-huh. Well, you can say face. Oh, that's specific. Cheek, right? Cheek. Mhm. Yes. So that is okay. Another part of the body, right? Another part of the body. So here, this is what is this? Okay, okay. Neck, right? Neck, all right. Neck. But what about face? Hmm. Which one can we use, right? Face. Uh-huh. Yes. Face, face, face. Hmm. Which picture can we use the face? Uh-huh. Hmm. Okay. Yes, please. My face. Right? Neck. What about this picture? Right? Huh. Okay. Face, face. Now let's use another one, right? Another picture. Mm. Okay, yes, face. This baby. Cute baby. Uh-huh. Beautiful face. Yes. And in a face you can see a cheek, etc, etc. Okay? So we can say finally this is a face. Beautiful face. Alright. I think we finished this vocabulary, right? Okay. We finished this vocabulary. One more, please. We need one more. Wow. One more, please. This is a mouth, right? This is a mouth, correct? Mouth. All right. Pay attention. Vocabulary. Parts of the body. Parts of the body. Yes. This vocabulary is very common, very important when describing people's appearance, right? We've got an arm, an elbow, chest, ear, nose, eye, leg, knee, hand, finger, head, mouth, face, neck, and hair. Yes. But we need to remember that some parts of the face are in plural. Mhm. Plural. Plural parts of the face. Plural parts of the body. For example, you say eyes, right? There are, or we have, for people usually have two eyes, correct? Two eyes. Huh? So let's write that. This. Two eyes. Mhm. Yes. Here you can see an eye, two eyes. Correct? Eyes. Or eyes. Yes, the correct pronunciation. Two eyes. Okay, one, two. What else is two arms? People usually have two arms. Yes, please. Two arms. Okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yes. Two arms. Mm-hmm. This one, right? Pay attention. Two arms. Uh-huh. This is the picture. Okay, okay. You can see two arms. Okay, okay. Give me 1 second. Two arms. Also two legs. Here you can see two arms. We usually have two arms. Yes. We can see here two arms. Also two legs. Right? Two ears. Right? Two legs. Okay. Human body, right? Two legs. These legs. Pay attention, please. We also have two legs, right? Good advice. Two legs or shoulders, right? Shoulder. We didn't write that previously, right? Okay, okay. Let me show you something here, right? What parts of the body is this? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me show you here, right? Two shoulders. Okay, okay. Two shoulders. Two shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. Mm-hmm. One moment, please. Two shoulders. All right. Uh-huh. Look at this. Look at this picture. Mm-hmm. Okay. Two shoulders. All right. Look at this picture. What can we see here? A girl. Yes. Touching her shoulders. Shoulders. Okay. Shoulders. Yes, two shoulders. Correct? Two shoulders. So don't forget, right? Huh? Shoulders. This is a shoulder, right? Uh, A shoulder. Right? Let's write that here, right? Forget this. Uh, Shoulder. This small part. You can move this a bit. Okay. Shoulder. Uh, yes. What is shoulder, teacher? This small part. It is shoulder. Parts of the chest. Shoulder. Huh? Shoulder. Yes. Correct. Shoulder, ear, nose, eye. Singular, also plural. Yes. Two eyes, two arms, two legs, two shoulders. Parts of the body in plural, right? Plural parts of the body. Yes. Or maybe fingers, right? Fingers, fingers. We've got 10 fingers. Mhm. Okay, okay. 10 fingers. Yes. Let's count, please. 10 fingers. Mm-hmm. 10 fingers. 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-huh. Okay. Or more plurals, right? How many fingers? Yes, we've got 10 fingers. Mhm. Fingers, plural, right? So you say fingers, 10 fingers, 5 in each hand. fingers. Okay? Now, I'll show you two irregular ones, right? When you are talking about tooth, for example, the plural of tooth is not tooths. You don't add s to just say teeth. You need to change that. You say teeth. Uh-huh. Tooth. Teeth. Uh-huh. Yes. Teeth. Like this. Showing the teeth. Uh-huh. Look at this picture. For making plural nouns, we usually add s, es, ies, but there are some irregular ones where we don't use, okay, we don't add s. We just say tooth becomes in plural the word teeth, tooth, teeth, you know? Well, similar to other kind of nouns like some people, child, children, tooth becomes teeth, or foot becomes feet. Yes, foot becomes feet. You see? Okay. Let me show you, please. There it is. Foot becomes feet. Okay? Foot becomes feet. This thing, right? 1 minute, please. Foot becomes feet. You see? Okay, I'll use this color. Or maybe foot. Here you can see a pair of foot. Sorry, a pair of feet then. Pair of feet. 2 feet. So in this case, you say, hey, there's another example here. Foot becomes feet. You see? Foot, feet. Eyes, arms, legs, shoulders, shoulders. Finger, fingers, tooth, teeth. But you say, why, teacher? Because these are irregular, right? Don't forget, right? These are irregular. Irregular plural nouns. Just say irregular plural nouns. Okay. Irregular. You write different way, right? So tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. Because they're irregular plural nouns. Okay? Parts of the body. Yes? Parts of the body in singular, parts of the body in plural. Now, let's continue. Aha. The next, the third part. Let's describe. Huh? Let's describe parts of the body, right? Describe. Huh? Oh, okay. Let's talk about plural parts of the body. Let's describe parts of the body. All right. Especially when describing the face, hair. Okay. For example, eyes. Different colors. For example, you can say, huh, green eyes. You know? What's about green eyes? Okay. Let me show you this. Look at this girl, right? Oh, okay. Okay. Parts of the body. Let's describe eyes. Can you see here? All right. You see. Look at this. You see. Blue eyes. See? Blue eyes. Blue eyes. What's next? Green eyes. We're using colors. We are using colors to describe eyes. No? Green eyes. It's blue eyes. Green eyes. Okay, or maybe long hair. Long and short hair, right? Pay attention, please. Here you can see different people, right? Long hair, short hair. Okay. A boy and a girl. What about these people? Huh? Describe this, please. You see, hey, here you can see short hair, right? Short hair. It is green, no? Green. Let's use green. Green, green, green. Yes. Green eyes. Short hair. What color can we use for short hair? Okay, we can use this purple, right? Short hair. How about this? Long hair. Short hair. Long hair. Or maybe, okay, strong arms. Oh, what's this picture? Describe this picture. Right? Describe this picture. Wow. What's this? Okay, you say, hey, look. Here you can see a strong arm. Strong arm. You see? Strong arm. Or you can say the opposite, okay? The opposite of strong is weak arm. Or what else can we say? Uh-huh. Okay. You can say uh-huh. You can say, hey, that's a strong arm. What about this? Okay. Uh-huh. This is a thin arm or weak arm. No? Weak arm. Remember, please, that people first mentioned the word that describes the second. In other words, first mention the adjectives that describes the noun. Okay, the adjective that describes the noun. Okay, this describes. Okay. Oh no, happened. Okay. So we've got blue eyes, green eyes, short hair, long hair, strong arm, weak arm. Okay. Yes, blue eyes, green eyes, short hair, long hair, strong arm, weak arm. Correct. Well, be careful that in a conversation, okay, in a conversation, in a conversation about parts of the body, okay, in a short conversation about parts of the body, maybe in class, right? In class, on the first day of class, we don't know different words, especially parts of the body, right? And in a conversation, be careful, please, for singular things, you can say, okay, you can say, excuse me. Okay, for singular, what is this, right? Some extra. Just a question for you to remember. Excuse me, what is this? for singular, right? So, excuse me, what is this? Example, excuse me, what is this part of the body? What is this? Okay, Anna can say, Anna likes English, so she can say, well, it is an ear. An ear. Oh, okay. It is an ear. Correct. It is an ear. Yeah? It is an ear. Or you can say another one, right? Excuse me. What is this? Mhm. Okay, okay. Excuse me. What is not another part of the body, right? Yes, this one. Okay. Another part of the body. Singular. Excuse me. What is this? Singular, right? It is a leg. A leg. All right? A leg. Remember, teacher, why do we use on? On. Because this is a vowel, right? This is a vowel. When the next word it's a vowel, you use on. When it's a consonant, you use a. Okay? An ear. What's this? It is an ear. Okay. What's this? It is a leg. But sometimes you can use, okay? You can use some adjective, as I said previously, right? Hey, it is a long. Remember? It is a long leg. Yes, you're describing with a characteristic. Yes. It is a long leg. Yes. Or maybe you can also use contractions. Yes. Instead of say it's a long leg. No. It's a long leg. Contraction. It is a long leg. It is becomes it's a long leg. And for plural, okay, and for plural, mhm, for plural is the same thing, right? You say, excuse me, what? You see, what is now? You say, what are this? Okay, for plural things. Excuse me. Uh-huh. For plural, so, excuse me. What are what are for plural? What are these? Huh? Excuse me. What are these? Okay, Anna knows this, right? For plural, people say they are eyes. Okay? Plural, eyes. Okay. What are these? They are eyes. Be careful. For singular, use. Okay. For singular, use it. It. Etc. Right. And for plural, use. For plural, use they. Okay. For plural, use they are eyes. For plural. Okay. They are eyes. Okay, we finished, right? Okay, from the beginning, we talked about parts of the body: arm, elbow, chest, shoulder, ear, nose, eye, leg, knee. hand, finger, head, mouth, face, neck, hair, vocabulary about parts of the body. Then we distinguish or we make some parts of the body into a plural form, right? Eyes, arms, legs, shoulders, fingers. Be careful with tooth because the plural is teeth. Foot because the plural is feet because they are irregular as well, right? As you can see here. Then we describe, yes, we describe these parts of the body like blue eyes, green eyes, short hair, long hair, strong arm, weak arm. And in conversations about parts of the body, use these questions, right? What is this? In singular and in plural, what are this? Okay? You can use this vocabulary, right, with these questions, right? Right? Let's in conversations. For singular, what is this? What's this? For plural, okay, what's this? I was getting. We also use contractions here, right? What is the contraction? We say their eyes like this, yes? Their eyes. Yeah? For contraction. Sorry. I almost forgot this, right? Their eyes. Their eyes. Contraction. Their eyes. Their eyes. And what about the colors, teacher? Colors. Of course. We say they are their brown eyes. Their brown eyes. Their brown eyes. Well, this is it. Now let's practice, please. In groups and on the platform. Practice.